Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you an amazing logo. I think you could guess what is the logo. This is another football club's logo. In this logo, I am using some new tricks that I have not shared before. So, make sure to watch carefully to the end, and then write in the comments section the most valuable information that you find in this tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So let's start the video. So first take ellipse tool, and draw a circle. Now copy the circle. For that, go to edit and select copy, again go to edit and select paste in place. Move the circle like that. Again copy the circle by hold Alt and place here like that. Now select these two circle and make a group. Select everything, and make it middle align center. Now, make the smaller like that. Okay, that's good. Now select everything and take Shape Builder tool, and remove extra parts like that. Now select the shield and increase the stroke of the shield. Okay, we have complete our logo shield. Now take line segment tool, and draw a line over the shield like that. Now take anchor point tool, and make carve like that. Now select the shield, and make it outline stroke like that. Select the line, and take width tool, and make width the line like that. Now select the line, and make it expand. Copy the another. For that, click right button of mouse, and select transform, and select reflect. Now press Ctrl Y, for outline. Now match it like that. Okay, go to previous mode. For that, press Ctrl Y. Okay, that's good. Now select everything and take Shape Builder tool, and remove extra parts like that. Now make the shield colorful. so use color on the shield like that. Okay, that's good. Now select Line Segment tool and draw a line middle of shield like that. Select everything, and take Shape Builder tool, and click here. Okay, that's fine. Now we design a wheel of this logo. For that, take Ellipse tool, and draw a circle. Copy the circle like that. Go to Transform, and increase 10px. Again, copy the circle and make it bigger like that. Again, copy the circle. And go to Transform, and increase 10px like that. Okay, that's good. Now take Line Segment tool, and draw a line. Place the line here. Copy the line by hold Alt and place equal to another circle. Select the line, and take Rotate tool, and click Middle. In the same time click Alt. Then you find this. We need 6 lines, so we make 6 lines. Okay, that's good. Select everything, and make it middle align center. You need to make a perfect wheel. For that, you can increase or decrease anything that you need. Okay, selected everything and make all outlines stroke. Take Shape Builder tool, and delete like that. Also delete this. For that, you need to group all and delete like that. Now make the United the wheel. Now use background color of this wheel. For that, you can take any shape. And then select everything, and take Shape Builder tool, and remove extra parts like that. Now place the wheel on the shield. Change the color of wheel. Now write the logo name. Change the name font. You can find this font free in Google. Okay, that's good. This is the main design of today's tutorial. Now increase the speed of the last part of this logo, because you can easily do the last part of this logo. Okay, that's complete. So friends, this is our today's logo. So thank you for your attention. I hope I helped with this video. So don't forget to comment with valuable information that you find it. Push the like button and subscribe my channel if you didn't yet. See you in another video.